when you come on at toilet, when you don't go to toilet, when you can. Once it is fine, take soap, you rub on your hand, drop the soap in your hand. If you not get this something like the toilet, or you take the soap, you rub on your hand, fine. Huh? You rub your hand, you don't put the soap, and the first step is you don't rub the soap in your hand.